Good morning, everybody. And Dow Jones is still very much in this flag. Thought we had a breakout, but all it's done is just formed a lower high over there. So yeah, oscillators following suit. We have crossed over, not really pointing down at the moment, just sort of drifting sideways. And then obviously we have a very strong area of support here at 37,843. So still a flag for me. This is the move up, this is the consolidation. It's just not getting going. So we do have GDP today. That might be the catalyst. Earnings hasn't really got this going. We've just gone sideways this week after a very strong week last week. Now for me, this is still ranging. And you can see oscillators are starting to ease off in the 3 hour. We've got some gentle moves up and big moves down. This is all just confusion. There's nothing more to read into it. And this is a buying zone. You do have an inside bar here. You've got another inside bar there. So that could be potentially a double bottom, 37,843 being your level. I don't like it. It's not clear enough, and we'll need to get down to the lower time frames just to see what's happening. Now, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you look at this on the hour, you'll see we have a crossover the moving averages, but we do have a grouping of the oscillators to the downside, and we are starting to flip over, not there yet. And we have a big inside bar, as well as some form of a pin bar here from the close yesterday. To be quite frank, I don't like it. I don't think I want to get involved here at the moment. And if we get down to the 15 minutes, it's not gonna ease my uneasiness at all. So you can see we had a pretty decent, we were just holding this trend, sort of got up to the top here. Don't know what we bounced off. There wasn't really structure to the left that we bounced off, but we bounced off it, and then that put the trend line into play, and you can see how we respected that trend line, and then it sold off going into the close. So this might be because we've got the jobs number and GDP, and now everybody's just waiting for GDP. So take profit and wait to see what happens. Might be what the institutions have done, or alternatively it could be that they know something we don't, or they are just trying to get you trapped with a long, and they're going to push the market down, take your stops lower down, and then reverse and move to the upside. So just keep your wits about you, I think, is the best advice I can give you. And there is no decent setup. It's sort of almost a megaphone formation, to be honest. And I'm seeing something similar on Euro USD, and that is going to have impact here. So yeah, I think the safest bet for me here is sit on the side. The DAX offers a little bit more structure. This to me is more a case of what looks like a potential range, or it's 50-50 whether it's going up or down. Bigger picture definitely looks like a flag to the upside, but we could still bounce off the bottom up and then down. So we could just continue going sideways until we get that catalyst that makes us break the range. So I'm sitting on the sides, not really interested in getting burnt here. There's a lot more on offer on the S&P as well as the DAX at the moment. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.